Okay, this is my 2007 Chevy Silverado crew cab 5.3 liter LH6 aluminum block displacement on demand, or AFM motor I picked up off Craigslist. Guy said it had a lifter tick, which it sure does seem to. Just wanted to check it out other than that. So I put it on the engine stand here and went ahead and hooked up a wiring harness from an 07 Trailblazer I had, modified it a little bit to get it to work. So I got an E67 computer here programmed for 58X, and I've got an accelerator pedal hooked up on a diagnostic port. HP Tuners isn't working for me at the moment. I don't know what's going on. It's not reading anything, but I can read it with my regular OBD2 reader. Got a battery charger, and a radiator from a 55 Chevy kind of hooked up there, and a couple of rad hoses I had lying around. Most of the stuff I had lying around, I didn't really have to buy much. The belt's kind of routed funny because that was the length I had. It's not the standard routing. 07 Express fan intake, but the map sensor doesn't reach it, so it's not plugged in for now. Do have a fuel pressure gauge hooked up, and I have a mechanical oil pressure gauge too. And we've got fuel tank from a 2004 Chevy Colorado that I had wrecked, and a relay there for running it. And then I had to use an 04 or 02 rather Corvette fuel filter regulator, a couple of spare fuel lines I had laying around to get that to go. So we got a household light switch for the ignition switch. We'll go ahead and fire her up here, and you can hear the knock. So here we go. That's ignition. See the fuel pressure went up to 60 per sec, dropped down to 50. And we'll go ahead and use the start switch here. There's more firing. I turned them off one by one with the SI live, and the RPM is wrong. That's good oil pressure. It's about 50 PSI. Idle. Map airflow sensor code, and an IAT sensor code. So this camera just makes it focus in on the screen very nicely. See that there, RPM 644. Coolant temp 86 degrees. Anything. We'll get a couple of reps for fun. Definitely got some kind of tick. I would say lifter tick probably. Pretty sure. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, it's pretty impressive it's running on the stand, so at least it does run. Alright, that's it for now.